Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. Today we've got an exciting new video in our AI image generating series. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, don't worry, I've got a link up there for you. Now let's dive right in. I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI images like this, even if you've never tried it before. First, head over to gemini.google.com. Once you're there, select the image you want by clicking the plus mark. Next, copy and paste the prompt I've shared in the description below. And just like that, in seconds, you'll have an amazing, eye-catching image. Want to try this on your phone? No problem. I'll put a link up here to show you exactly how. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Let's keep creating together.